Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys. We have our Whirlpool today. My husband ordered it online and then they deliver it today. So this Whirlpool has a lot of features. We have the regular, and then you can also download apps to your cell phone or any gadgets you have. So all I like this guys is the agitator, agitator. So this agitator 2-in-1 is a removable agitator. So it's up to you if you want to put this, but I prepare to take it off this one while I'm washing the bulky items like blankets, comforter, towels. So I will use this one if I will use I will use the agitator if I will wash the clothes. So this one is bigger than we have before. We have a Maytag, but our Maytag, I think it's already give up. We bought our Maytag about year 2015. So it's been 8 years. So I will show you guys this one. Look. And also I like this one because you can use this one for the water. See? Look at this, Biko. I like this one too because see, you can put some water here. There.
Yeah. And, oh yeah, you can add your own water?
Yeah.
That's a good feature. Huh?
Yeah, if you want to melt the soap powder.
And you know, we read about you can fill them both up and
Yeah.
you put it out automatically, or you can add it manually. You can shut that off.
Yeah. And so, then just this agitator, see, removable. Look at this guys. Huh?
Wash okay without the agitator?
Yeah. Yeah, the small one, we have the one, so.
That washes just like that?
Oh, in one, yeah.
You don't have anything else down there? If you take it out,
No.
wash just wash like that?
Yeah.
So that's a big bin.
See, look at this. Yeah, it smells good.
That smells. Seems pretty clean.
Helping her. Here's my boy here. He's always observing her. So this is the one. So I can put powder and then said warm. These are the features. The regular. So the bulky one, they call it bulky because the bulky washing, you can call it bulky. The blanket, towels, comforter, or what else? So I use bulky now because I'm washing the blanket. Heavy duty, quick wash, cold wash, wrinkles, normal, sanitize with OXL, more option, so spray soap. So later I'm going to download some apps. I will check it out, guys, what's going on or what the app's doing. This is my first time. So nowadays the technology is getting high-tech and high-tech. So like now the washing machine, you can put some apps on your cell phone. I don't know. So This one is bigger than our previous washing machine. Our previous washing machine is only 4.7 and this one is 5.2 or 5.3. I forgot. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 5.3. So let's wash it, guys. And take a look what's going on. Now I already put some bed sheets here. I already put some fabric softener. And now let's on it. And then it said it's bulky. See, detergent and refill now, or okay, it's already refill it. And then we'll see dip water. Okay, max fill dip water. Then okay, said 1 hour and 25 minutes. So let's start it. So please hold for 3. See, add garments. Why do you add garments? So I can see it, guys. Sensing. Now let's open it. Oh, look at this, guys. It's done. So now I'm done downloading with the apps of the Whirlpool washing machine. So here's it. Washing complete. So this one has no agitator. So the next wash I will using the agitator for the clothes. So, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Towel, the towel. So this is the removable agitator. So you need to press this side here. Set and turn, squeeze and rotate. See, it's locked now. It's locked. So we'll put some clothes. And the other one I like this is you can use here for the water, extra water. See? And this is here for the liquid. So use only HE high efficiency 1 liter. Here. Put this 3 here this time. So the next pictures with the Whirlpool washing machine, guys, I like is this one. Look at this. You can press this one and put extra water. So now I put the agitator at the middle.
So I use a downy with each bead. Just a picture, I like it. See, this water will be automatically off in 10 minutes. Need to put the color for this. Because I'm using the clothes, so I use the color. Color said 1 hour and 2 minutes. And then press this on hold. Okay. And let's wait.
This is very quiet also. You cannot hear anything with this washing machine. So also I hope it will be long. Hope it will long last, this washing machine. 10 years. So quiet. So I also use the agitator. Try to use agitator because I put 2 blankets. It's so quiet. So maybe I'm gonna love this washing machine. Energy guide 260 kilowatts per year. Not bad, $15 with yearly energy cost. So it's very quiet. One minute left. That's it. And now let's open. There you go. 2 blankets. Oh, smells so good.